Pizza Hut is an iconic American brand that many people associate with family dinners, birthday parties, book-it rewards, and personal pan pizzas. While the brand is still stable, it's clear that Pizza Hut has seen better days. In 2019, the company announced plans to close 500 U.S. locations, signaling a major downsizing. When compared to competitors like Domino's, the problem becomes obvious. Domino's overtook Pizza Hut as the world's #1 pizza chain in 2018 after Pizza Hut held that title for 47 years. Pizza Hut's decline can mainly be traced to two issues. First, a loss of innovative, catchy menu items. The brand once led the industry with creations like pan pizza and stuffed crust, but recent menu revamps failed to excite customers. Second, Pizza Hut was slow to embrace delivery. While Domino's built its identity around fast delivery, Pizza Hut focused on dine-in experiences for too long. Today, Pizza Hut is shifting towards smaller delivery-focused locations and trying to adapt to modern habits. Though it's struggling to redefine itself, the brand understands where it needs to go, giving hope